Speech off.
The Adventures of Tweety and Flower Glow number 7, by Carol N. Weeks blank. Once upon a time Tweety and Flower Glow decided to take their puppy Fluffy Sunshine on another vacation to a Scottish island called Feathery Shetland. On this island they stayed at a beautiful castle called Feathery Scalloway Castle. While they were there they were able to look at a travel brochure and discovered there were several things they could do, such as visit an old-time tea room, a dress shop, a souvenir shop, visit the museums, visit the gardens, and go to the 2 different restaurants, LJ's Diner and Pizzeria, and the Feathery Cafe. On their first day at Scalloway Castle they explored the nooks and crannies of the castle. They discovered old battle armor, plaids, along with a lot of old pictures and antiques. They were awed at the amazing, big, beautiful castle. They then decided to take Fluffy Sunshine for a walk and emerged from the castle into a lovely garden filled with heather, bluebells, thistle, daffodils, azaleas, and dandelions. When they were walking along the path with Fluffy Sunshine they were amazed to see some lavender as well as a few different rose bushes, so they stopped and smelled the flowers and let Fluffy Sunshine play with her toys. While Tweety and Flower Glow were sitting there they began to get hungry, so they took out a snack to eat. They ate some cookies and drank a thermos of hot peppermint tea and had a bowl of water and a little doggy treat for Fluffy Sunshine. While they ate they discussed their trip so far. Tweety and Flower Glow were enjoying themselves on their many vacations together. They had started to discuss what they wanted to do the next day and decided to check out the Scottish Museum and learn about the history of the area. When they finished their snack and started to head back to their rooms they saw a sweet older woman called Mrs. M.C. Gregor and asked her a few questions about the castle, such as some of its history and who were the last residents of the castle were. She answered them in a broken English. Mrs. M.C. Gregor was not used to speaking English, so it was hard to understand her, but she did recommend them check out the battlements. So, instead of going straight to their room, Tweety and Flower Glow took Fluffy Sunshine and climbed to the top of the battlements, and to their surprise the sun was starting to set over the ocean and it was absolutely breathtaking and beautiful. Tweety and Flower Glow watched for a little while Fluffy Sunshine curled up at their feet and dozed. After the sun had set they went back to their adjoining rooms and had room service provide their dinner of steak, baked potato, and carrots with a dessert of cookies and ice cream. Then they told each other good night and went to bed.
Speech on. Video resolution. Frame. Flash off. Camera control. Stop recording video.